Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to quickly take a screenshot on Windows without using any extra tool. So first you can press the print screen key. This is copy the entire screen and you can paste it into your Paint, Word or an email. So you just have to select the screen and your screenshot is taken. If you only want the active window, press Alt plus print screen. This captures just the window you are working on. And here is a super handy method. Press window key plus print screen. This not only take the screenshot but also save it automatically into your screenshot folder. So that's it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.